Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I'm here to promote my son's channel, Kaliki Bret's channel on YouTube, Desert Dwelling. And so I'm going to put a link in the description, but right here I'm going to show the first couple, maybe about a minute of the intro, so you can get a sort of a flavor for what it's about. But it's a great channel. They're doing some great video stuff, doing some dancing, cooking. It's wild, it's fun. If you're into homesteading or cooking or hiking or farming and stuff like that, organic, sustainable living, solar power, that sort of thing, living off grid, check it out. Check out his channel. Check out their channel.
Hey there, homesteaders. It's another hot day here in the desert, and today we're going to rent a wood chipper so we can break down this brush pile that's been here since before we even started building our house. We're really excited to get this project done finally. It's going to be a long day, so let's get going. We're Kaliki and Bret, a rugged and adventurous gay couple who are sick and tired of clashing with life in the city.
So we decided to head into the desert to chase our dreams and thrive.
Along with our furry friends Chuck and Momo,
we'll explore DIY projects, tiny house construction, gardening, hiking, cooking,
and share what it looks like to jump headfirst into homesteading.
So subscribe and join us on our dusty adventures to build this desert dwelling.
Alright, well, we're off to pick up the wood chipper.